Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Friday. I'm so excited because today is a very special day. It is the day of our teddy bear clinic. You're going to get to participate in some really fun activities with your teddy bear or a stuffed animal or a doll. So I thought we could greet each other by doing a fun song. It's called the Teddy Bear Song. And first it goes like this. Teddy bear, turn around. So you're going to turn around, turn all the way around. Okay. Then after you turn around, it says, teddy bear, touch the ground. So you have to go down and touch your toes or touch the ground. Then it says, teddy bear, touch or reach up high. So teddy bear, reach up high. So reach up high with your arms. And it says, teddy bear, wave in the sky. So then you can wave to me. So we'll try it again. It goes like this. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, wave in the sky. And the song goes like this. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, wave in the sky. Great job, you guys. Thank you for participating in that fun greeting this morning. Well, now we're going to read our morning message and find out more about our day. Today is May 8, 2020. Dear doctors and nurses, that's right, boys and girls, you're going to be a doctor or a nurse because we're participating in our teddy bear clinic. Remember, a clinic is a place that you go in a hospital that helps take care of you if you're sick or if you're hurt or if you need a doctor or a nurse. Today is Friday. You will get to participate in our teddy bear clinic. Do you have a special stuffed animal or doll ready? You will also have media with Mrs. Potter. Remember that we have a Google Hangout meeting at 10 o'clock today. I found that 10 o'clock works best for my family, and I hope it works best for your family. But parents, please let me know if an earlier time would work or a later morning time would work. Please be sure to bring your stuffed animal or a doll with you. Also, don't forget to do something special for your mom this weekend for Mother's Day. It could be as simple as cleaning your room without being asked, or maybe helping wash the dishes, or maybe helping set the table for dinner, or you could even make your mom a special card with some paper. You be creative. All right, your seesaw attendance post for today for attendance is, after you look at all the activities from today's teddy bear clinic, pick one that was your favorite. And I want you to share which one you liked the best. You could send me a picture of the one, you could write about it, or you could send me a video of you doing one of the activities. I hope that you enjoy them, and I can't wait to find out what your favorites are. All right, now it's time for our student shout out. So we're gonna get ready to, let's make sure I have my pen ready to go. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you how many letters are in this person's name, but today's person is a boy. And his name starts with a C. Now we have a couple friends in our class whose names start with a C. But this person likes to play with his friends. This person is very creative and likes to build things. This person has very light colored hair. And this person's mom also had a baby very recently. So they have a new baby at their house too. Can you think about who this person is? It's Kelvin. Kelvin, you are our student of the day. So before we do our shout out, we're going to write your name in the box. Kelvin, remember starts with a C. We want to write uppercase C because it's the person's name. Then we have an A, and we want to write lowercase, an L, a V, an I, and an N. So there's Kelvin's name. Now we're going to add up his letters. So let's look first for our vowels. A, E, I, O, or U. Oh, I see an A. There's a vowel. There's one. L, V, oh, I. There's another vowel. I'm going to circle the I. N is not. So I looked at his name and I circled 2 vowels. So I'm going to write 2 on the first part of the sentence. And then I'm going to count up the consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Kelvin has 4 consonants. All right, let's add up the letters. Remember, it's okay for kindergartners to use their fingers, or you can count in your head. So we have 2 plus 4 more. We're going to start at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kelvin has 6 letters in his name. All right, let's get ready to give Kelvin a big shout out. Remember, you can cheer, you can dance, you can say his name really loud. Are you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Kelvin. We miss you so much. We hope that you have fun in our teddy bear clinic today. We hope you have fun learning at home. We hope that you have a great day. Bye, Kelvin. All right, I bet Kelvin can feel how excited you are to say good morning to him. All right, it is time for us to learn the last verse of our May song. And so the last verse goes like this. I'm going to sing it and then we're going to try the whole song together, if you remember it. The last verse goes like this. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. All right, now it's time for us to try the whole song together. And if you don't remember the words, that's okay. You can sing the parts that you remember. It goes like this. Oh, the sun is out, it's time to play in the merry, merry month of May. Let's catch some bugs as they fly away in the merry, merry month of May. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Such happy days will come our way in the merry, merry month of May. I'll hug my mom on Mother's Day in the merry, merry month of May. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Great job, boys and girls. And if you ever want to practice this song by yourself, you could pause the video and practice it. Great job. All right, let's fill out our calendar for the day. Yesterday was May 7th, which means an 8 comes next. I'm going to write an 8 right over the top of our teddy bear clinic sign. And that's right, today is our teddy bear clinic. But we're also going to cover the teddy bear clinic with our pattern. So let's start back here. We have bird, butterfly, flower. Bird, butterfly, flower. All right, and since it's not the weekend yet, I'm not going to fill out the pattern for the weekend, but I will over the weekend. Let's move the arrows to the right, 1 space. Tomorrow is Saturday. That means it's a weekend day, and we don't come to school on weekend days. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. All right, we're going to keep going to the weather. This morning, the sun is shining. It says it's supposed to be a mostly sunny day, so I'm going to add sunny. Now, if you look at our weather graph, we've had mostly cloudy for the days that we've come to school in May. I haven't had any rainy, snowy. It's been kind of windy, but I haven't marked that yet. I might have to watch that because it has been kind of windy. We're going to add our last thing, our tally mark here. We don't have 4 standing tall yet, so I'm going to add the 4th one today. Then I'm going to erase the 3. And I'm going to go ahead and write a 4. Now, 4s are tricky. We Go down, we slide right and cut it in two. That's how we make a 4. All right, we're going to go to our last part. And today I said we were going to do a song about counting backwards. And this is one that we've done before. But before we do the song to end our morning meeting, let's practice counting backwards. And you can see this rocket ship right here is ready to blast off. When we get to 0, we're going to shout, blast off. And I'm going to challenge you. We're going to start at 25, and you can follow me and count backwards. Here we go. Ready? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! All right, we're going to end our morning meeting with a special song. Now, before I play the song, this is one we've done in class, and it's where we count backwards, but then you have to freeze. So I'm going to be watching to see if you stay really, really still, and you can watch me to see if I stay really still. Are you guys ready? Here we go. It's called the Counting Backwards song.
We get it. You don't really want your kids watching videos.
We always laugh and giggle at these. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, you guys can move around. Remember, when you freeze, you have to freeze and don't move any muscles. You can breathe, but don't move your head or your hands. You guys ready? Here we go.
Stand up straight. Don't move
around. Sorry. I forgot to keep your feet in don't move a muscle.
We're gonna count down. Sorry. 20 all the way to 1.
Are you staying still? All
right,
here's 20, 19, 18, 17, don't move any muscles.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
you can do it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you can move. Woo, that was tricky. All right, now
Shake
next
your
time
thing.
it tells you to freeze. I'm going to make sure I freeze too. But keep moving because you got to get those wiggles out before
Shake
you have
your
to freeze.
thing.
Ready? Here we go.
Stand up straight. Don't move a muscle.
Don't
Put
move.
your arms
It's
at your
hard, I
side
know.
and keep your feet in the middle. We're
Don't
gonna
move.
count down from 20 all the way to 1.
All right, can you count with me? You can count. That's okay to move your mouth. Here we go.
20,
19, don't move.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Don't forget to
11,
breathe.
10, 9, 8, 7,
we can do it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo.
Dance.
Okay, move around again.
Shake your groove
Shake your
thing.
thing. Shake your head.
Dance. Shake your groove thing.
And we're going to stop it right there, boys and girls. Thank you for staying really still. I know it was hard. Well, I hope you have a great day of learning. I hope you have fun doing the teddy bear activities. And I will see most of you at 10 o'clock for our meeting. Now remember, your seesaw post is to pick your favorite activity from the teddy bear clinic and tell me about what was your favorite. Have a great day, and I'll see you later this morning for some of you.